welcome to the Daily Driver Show. I am your host, Trucker Dave. It's currently Tuesday, and we are on the Ohio Turnpike at mile marker 71. So we're here in Perrysburg, heading up to Kenosha as usual. Picked this last load up here in Akron, and we're going to run it up there. It's not due until tomorrow, but we're going to deliver it today. And then we'll park, grab the next load tomorrow, and take that, stop in Pennsylvania, and take that to Allentown after that. I was hoping to go for a walk in Kenosha tomorrow in the morning. I was going to get up and go for a walk because right down that Burlington Road there's a sidewalk. It'd be tough for me to drive somewhere to go to like a hiking trail in a semi, so I'm not going to risk doing that, but I'm going to try to go for that walk down that neighborhood. But I checked the weather for tomorrow, and it's possibly going to be a little chilly, but it really doesn't matter to me. As long as it's not really raining hard, I could still go. So I'll try to get a nice walk in tomorrow, because I'll have plenty of time. Get up in the morning, that load's not going to be ready till somewhere around noon Central Time. So I'll have, like usual, I'll have about 5-6 hours from the time I get up till, I have to start getting ready to go and grab that load. Should work out pretty good. Weather today is beautiful. It's about 72 degrees right now. It's a little cloudy, but it's not terrible. Yesterday was gorgeous. Going to Allentown, oh man, it was hot. It was warm yesterday in Pennsylvania. It was like 82 degrees, I think, something like that. Which, in case you're wondering, today in Death Valley, the temperature is supposed to be about 106 to 107 degrees. Naples, Florida, where I'm from, it's supposed to be around 90. I love Florida. I made some people mad in that construction zone. The Ohio side's 50 miles an hour. That's what I was doing. Then you get into Pennsylvania. Do you know where you're at? I really can't tell you, sir. Coming into Indiana, it goes down to 45. That's what I was doing. That's what I always do. It's a construction zone. go the posted speed limit. Well, I'm going to take this Ernie Pyle Travel Plaza here, which is like the visitor center in Indiana, only because I'm going to take my break. I normally don't like stopping this early, because I'm still going to leave myself with probably about 210 miles to get there. Usually I stop at the truck parking coming up, but someone needs a potty break, so I might as well just take my whole break here. So that's what I'm going to do. Is that on the end there? No, well, I can get right in here next to this flatbed here, back row. I'm gonna get something to eat too here, and here we are. And this here will be home for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes? It's a 30-minute break. Just letting that guy drive through there, so. All right, break time. All right, break time's over now. It's been 30 minutes. Gotta get back on the road. I'm ready for it. I'm ready to keep driving. I'm waiting on this guy here to go. This roll. I don't want to get out in front of him if I don't have to. I'll end up passing him on the highway anyways, possibly. I mean, who knows? If he goes over 65, I will, or I won't, but all right. This gentleman's sitting here with his door open. All right, I got room. Angle it this way a little bit. Start kitting. Perfect. Just coming around over there. Nope. All right. All right, let's get back on the road. That was a nice little break. Reset my clock. 4.5 hours left to drive, with probably about 220 miles left. Are you gonna cross there, my friend, or no? All right, I'll go this way. Yeah, about 220 miles left. That ain't bad. 4.5 hours to do it. Could be worse. Could be better. But we'll be all right. Okay, let's slowly double check. Nobody's coming. Good, because I'm big, fat, and slow. Give me some time, give me some room. These are amazing. Chocolate covered cherries. Their chocolate covered blueberries they're even better. They're just little cherries. They're not like filled, you know, you don't get that gush of cherry, but I think it's because they're amaretto cherries from Ozark Nut Roasters. They're not a sponsor, but they definitely should be. Oh, they're so good. We get these at Sam's Club. Usually they have a table set up where you could sample everything they have. This stuff works good, the chocolate covered blueberries and the cherries, because as most of you all know, I am allergic to nuts, mostly peanuts, but I can't have really any nut. I can't have peanut butter. I can't have any of that stuff. So this stuff works really good. I did just get done editing the last video, so I'm gonna wrap this all up here. The time now currently locally is 6:10. I parked just about 5 o'clock. Went inside the Quick Trip. Went inside there real quick, and then got that video uploaded. I ate. I had some tuna. I had some bacon ranch tuna. Add some mayonnaise to this. Slap some of this on some bread with some cheese. Woo! Delicious. Now I'm just snacking on some cherries here, and I cannot upload this video because the tablet thing is still in the process, but when I get home this weekend, I'll be able to get it uploaded as well. So that's kind of where we're at. I'm here at the Quick Trip. I have some incense burning. I got some sandalwood. This is a different type of incense than what I've had before. It's just normal incense, but it came with the box. I have this box that I burn it in just to kind of keep it contained, and I'm not sure I like these too much. The other incense that I have is a lot better, I think, but what are you gonna do? It's something, but just freshens it up, you know, really helps your mood, helps you unwind, helps you calm down. I enjoy it. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one up now. Appreciate you tuning in today and tagging along with me on this trip from Brookville, Pennsylvania to Akron to pick up the load. That was in Ohio. And then now up here in Kenosha, Wisconsin. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It's free. It only takes a second. Like these videos, leave me a comment. I do try to respond to every single comment. If you'd like to email me, my email is on the screen. I'm not able to respond to you like every single day. It's just like a couple days a week I'm able to check that email and respond as well. I tried to reserve that for anyone interested in a driving position with Reisinger. They don't sponsor my channel. They don't, you know, they don't pay me anything extra to talk good about them or talk bad about them. It just, to me, it's a really great company. I make really good money. I have great home time. I really enjoy this. So that video is now fully exported, so I'll be able to upload that when I get home. Wish I was able to do it now, but I can't. But anyways, that's going to be it for today. So thanks for tuning in. Have a great day and have a great hike.